In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Typeform with Shopify. Whether you're looking to enhance customer interaction or streamline data collection, integrating Typeform with your Shopify store can be a game changer. So let's dive in and get started on this simple process. First, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account or create a new one if you're just getting started with Typeform. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard filled with all the forms you've created. If you're new, you might not have any forms yet, but don't worry. You can easily create one by clicking on the Create button at the top of the page. After you're on your dashboard, select the form you want to integrate with Shopify. This could be a form that collects customer feedback, a survey, or even a product questionnaire. Once you've chosen the form, click on it to open it up. Now that you're viewing your form, look at the top of the screen for the Connect tab. This tab is where all the integration magic happens. Click on Connect to access a range of apps and platforms you can integrate with Typeform. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for today, we are focusing on Shopify. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Shopify. Once you've located it, click Connect. This action will initiate the integration process between Typeform and Shopify. At this point, you might be prompted to sign in to your Shopify account if you aren't already. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Shopify store. This is a crucial step as it allows Typeform to communicate with your store effectively. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be guided through a few more steps to finalize the integration. This usually involves granting permissions to Typeform, so it can access necessary data from your Shopify store. Make sure to review these permissions carefully to ensure you're comfortable with the access Typeform will have. And there you have it. Your Typeform is now integrated with your Shopify store. This integration allows you to seamlessly collect and manage data from your customers directly within your Shopify setup. It's a fantastic way to enhance your store's functionality and improve customer interactions. Remember, integrating Typeform with Shopify not only helps streamline your processes, but also provides an engaging way for customers to interact with your brand. So take full advantage of this integration to elevate your Shopify store experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy integrating!